Hello, so now I will show you how to find the area in here. We see that from 0 to b, that is this one. So they want to find this area in here. So we need to set up about the integration. That is from 0 to b. So that's it from here. And we have the upper function minus the lower function. So about upper function, that is about this one. So I will put this one go in here. The lower function, that is about y equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here. And this one go in here. And now we have like this. So I will put s plus 2sinx go in here. The integration of s, that is about s squared over number 2. The integration of 2sinx, that is about negative number 2 cosine x. And we put the bounds from 0 to b. So I will put this one go in here. Number 0 go in here. And we have b squared over number 2 plus number 2 plus number 2. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.